Hi, welcome to the channel. My name is Crystal. Today is a Happy Mail video. I got some packages this week in the mail. Some were acquisitions and some were winnings from some giveaways. So I just wanted to kind of bundle pack that together so I wasn't making like 5 different Happy Mail videos because yeah, I don't know. So I'll make this short, hopefully. So the first acquisition I have is these cat ears. I did post some photographs on my community tab showing them. They were made by Little Treasures by Nancy. Meow. Okay. Anyways, they're so cute. I love them. So basically they're on this adjustable, like look how adjustable this is. It's an adjustable headband. If you were wanting to purchase some of these, I will leave a link to her YouTube and her website because she has a website where she sells, so you can get in contact with her through her website, her email, or her YouTube to purchase one of these. It's so cute. I love it. It's like another acquisition I purchased these mugs from Kiwi's Crochet Corner. I got the same design. It's Kiwi, but he's angry because he's all wet. He does not look happy. So since I have two, I was thinking I would do a giveaway with one of them, but the giveaway is going to be on Adrian's. So I'm going to link one of her videos and you have to give her a name for her hexi cardigan we're doing together. She designed it. I'm helping her write up the pattern. And I do want to show you one of the panels. This is my first panel for the hexagon cardigan. She is blowing past me. It takes longer for me to do things when I'm trying to write the pattern and do it, so this is what it looks like folded up right here. So this is my panel. I'm bigger, so it's taking me a little longer to make this up, but this is what it looks like thus far. And this is, yeah, so this is what you have to comment on. I'm going to leave a link in the description so that you can win one of these mugs. I'm keeping one because these are adorable, but this will be a future giveaway, so stay tuned to that. Enter to win one of these mugs. Ow. So another Happy Mail I got was from Ian is a Weirdo. I entered his 1K giveaway for when he hit 1K, and Ian sent me these, and I'm super excited. Thank you so much. I'm like, I love clovers. I've tried them one time. I think Sunita sent me the 3.75 with the Corsa shawl. Yes. So I'm looking forward to using these. I really liked how they felt. Thank you. So for the last Happy Mail, it's actually from Adrian. I guess I need to stop entering giveaways because I win. I'm so blessed and lucky. But this is from Adrian from Kiwi's Crochet Corner. Adrian from Kiwi's Crochet Corner. Please go check her out and everyone I'm linking in the description. I only won one. I know there's extra stuff in here because she sent so reverse rewind. So I won one of those anniversary cakes from her, but she also added something else. I'm just gonna show you. This is huge! You didn't say it was this big. Sports, like, this is... Good girl, this is huge. I've never... This is a 6? This is the Karen anniversary cake, and it's 1,061 yards. 100% acrylico, and it's a 6-weight yarn, and the color is... I can't see that. Rain. Yeah, I remember. I totally remember. I have a terrible memory. But look how much... What can I do with this? I can make a fat cardigan with it. It's so pretty. Let me put it here. Oh my goodness. Oh. Aww. What? This is so sweet. You sent me a... It's a cardinal, right? That's my state bird. Daddy Google? I need to look something up. That's extra. You didn't say you were sending that. Yeah, it's a cardinal. It's my state bird, right? No, I don't. The religious leadership title, cardinal. No, I'm talking about birds. Yeah, we got a northern state bird here. This is like the angry bird. That's what you were talking about, right? You're talking about the angry bird is a cardinal. That's so funny. Thank you. Let me put it on right now. I'm just gonna wear everything. If I could open this. Oh, I'm blurry. Sorry. I have to auto adjust my camera for it to focus on me. So cool. Happy, 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 happy. He's so cute. Oh, sorry. Okay. Wait, you sent me a card. I should have opened the card first. I'm terrible. I just got overwhelmed. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, things fell out of it. Where? I think I didn't drop everything. Oh my gosh, these stickers are so cute. Hold on. There's a letter, and she wrote... Wait. So it says, Crystal, hey lady, I hope everything is wonderful. I've included all... How cute is this? I've included all your winnings from January and Kiwi's birthday, all in one to save on shipping. I hope you like it all. Also, your poncho and hat. You probably know all this already. Okay, love you, bye. God. I love this. It's so cute. I'm just gonna show you the stickers. I love stickers. I put them all over things. Oh my gosh. Why is this so cute? This looks kind of like Jessica's bird next to Adrian's bird a little bit. Jessica SMC's bird. I think his name is... Oh my gosh, I know this. Joey? No, am I wrong? If you see this, Jessica, I'm gonna link you too. I'm gonna tag you. And that looks like an Indian ring neck. I don't know. How cute! Where did you get these stickers? They're just the cutest. Are these 3 lovebirds? No, I'm probably wrong. How cute are these? Adorable. This is so cute. I hope I didn't drop one, and if I did, I'll find it later. I should have opened the card first. I feel like a jerk. Sorry. I didn't see it. I got overwhelmed. I'm sorry. So sorry. So yeah, these are the winnings for the last giveaway she did from her channel. Like, she did a giveaway, and that was the anniversary cake, but she gave me a bunch of extra stuff. What's this? Oh yeah, okay, yeah, I remember. You're right. You did say you were including this blanket. Ooh. Oh. It's called the Scrumptious Square Blankets. Here's a better Here's a better picture. Like the book. Oh, this is pretty. It has a diagram for the actual pattern. Sorry if I showed that way too long. Oh, you sent me more yarn. Oh, oh, wow, Adrian. I'm gonna share the last. Oh, it's so soft. Mm, sorry. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's so pretty. Hold on. Let me show you. So she sent me some dream chenille. I've never seen this in my Dollar Tree. But you sent me 4 of these and 2 in pink, 2 in red. These are if I could get the front of it. I'm trying to hold it up. I'm fumbling. So these are the stats. If you were wondering, it's 73 yards, medium 4-way. I think I know what I'm going to make with this. It's very soft. Oh, girl, you did not have to send. She sent me some of these hobby. Can you see that? Some of these hobby handmade. I'm gonna put these on. Do you think this will fit around my sun bunny neck? This is so cute. Why is this so cute? Look how cute they look with these on their little necklaces. Hello. Hey. Love you. Thank you. This is so cute. I'm sorry, this is like a long one. I didn't expect. So she also sent. So this is from the winnings from Kiwi's birthday. And she sent these earrings. I just want to do close-up views better. So she sent these earrings. So she had a parrot-themed birthday party. I love these buttons, and these are cute buttons. I can totally make some things for my kids with these. They'll love these. Cute. And then totally make something with these that are cute too. She also sent me some of these sewing needles, which I needed some. Oh, stitch markers. Dude, thank you. She made a hat on the knitting machine that she has. And she added a removable palm so I could take this. Oh no, you put it on. You put it on secured actually. But look how pretty. Now I have another favorite thing I like to wear. It's so soft. How are you saying it's rough? I don't know what you're talking about, but this is great. And it's perfect. It's still cold in this. See, I could roll it up. Or I leave it like this. Wow, I like this. Knitted hats are cool. The knitting machine is cool. Look around the world. I don't know why I'm singing. I guess I'm happy. I don't know. But she also sent me a poncho. This is, look at this. So I will link her Etsy shop down below. I believe she said this was a bag a day pattern, but she modified it. I think. And it's made with mohair. And I'm gonna go. Okay, this is adorable. So I could wear it. I'm wearing shorts. This is adorable. I love this. It's so cute. This is so cute. I'm modeling it, I think. I don't know what's wrong with me. So I'm putting my hat on. I'm gonna behave. I'm behaving myself. I love this. It's so soft. It feels great. It feels soft. I don't know. I love it. I'm wearing it I'm wearing it with black pants. I'm styling, you know what I mean? Look, this was cute. Mohair smells nice. Look at me from the side. Now that I'm head to toe decked out in styles, what do you guys think? This is super cute. I love it. It's got front posts. It's got little shells. It looks like it was worked from the bottom up. Or was it? I mean, that's what it looks like. Alright, I think that was all. I think that was all. That was all. But that was a lot. But that was. So I just want to say thank you to everyone who sent me happy mails. And this is going to go to great use. I'm just like touching it. Sorry, these are a touch over here, so it's not so awkward. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I will leave I'll leave a link in the description of everyone I mentioned in the video, including Jessica, because I mentioned Jessica too, super randomly. I don't know, I just thought of her. So, thank you guys for watching. Have a good rest of your day. Bye. Thank you.